Hello and welcome to this secure check cashing information video. This video is going to discuss how to use CheckFreePay through your check cashing software. CheckFreePay is one of the service vendors that we provide access to through our software for you so that you're able to perform multiple tasks through the one product. In order to get to any of the services that you may be offering your customers through our software, you would use the cash register part of the product. So I'm going to click on that button, which takes me to the cash register screen. Now, on your system, what you see here displayed on the left may look a little different because that is something that you can customize to your business. But somewhere in this list of options, you should find one labeled Money Services. And by selecting that, you'll see that we have an option for CheckFreePay, both to process a new payment and to void one that was done in error. I'm going to process a new payment, so I'll click on that, which displays the CheckFreePay screen. I need to enter the biller that I'm processing the bill for, which I can do by typing it in this box or working from a drop-down list here, whichever you find easier. I'm going to enter a biller here as an example for you, a local energy company. So I will select that, and down here, bill choice list. This may depend on your customer telling you how quickly they want to process. You notice I've got two options for this particular biller, and these may be different depending on the biller that you're processing for. I'll leave this for next day processing. The type of payment will be cash. I need to enter an account number for this biller, and this is going to take me a moment. It's a 12-digit number, so I will enter one in here, and yes, I'm making it up by way of an example for you. Enter the account number, confirm it. I'll enter an amount, let's say $10, just to have an example at this point. With that information entered, I'll click continue. And what this does is display a confirmation screen for you. So you notice we've got the biller listed, the account number that you've entered, the amount of the bill, the fee that you've selected to be associated with it, and or the one that's standard depending on the biller again. So the total amount due back from your customer. So at this point, I'll click finish because everything looks as I wanted it to. And it takes me back here to the cash register screen. Now notice on the cash register, once again, I've got the biller listed and the amount of the bill along with the fee that you'll be charging the customer and the total amount that they'll owe you to pay this bill. At this point, you'll enter whatever amount they're tendering. Maybe it's in cash, maybe it's exact change. And to complete the transaction, you'll click the cash out button, which will actually send this bill payment off to be processed. Or you have the option at this point, if something doesn't look right or your customer changes their mind for some reason, you can cancel this transaction and it won't be processed. By way of example, I'm going to cancel this one. At this point, if we process the transaction, everything's going to be recorded through your software. And in order to get information back out, as always, we'll go into the report section of the product. So I would click on that. And notice that along with other tabs here on the report screen, I've got one labeled Services. In this case, it's specifically set for CheckFreePay. What you can do is run a report by biller, and you can do this during the day if you want to, but most likely it would be at the end of your processing day to get a report to help you balance out and see what you've entered, see what the totals are at the end. I'll click Run Report, and because I really haven't entered anything, well, I've got the one listed out here, but other than that, it's just one, and it doesn't really show you very much, except by way of an example of what the report would look like. So let me close out of this and show you a sample that's got a little bit more data just to give you a better sense of that. In this case, you would see all of the transactions for one particular biller, and at the end of it, you'd have a total on the amount, the fee, a grand total down here, a confirmation of the different accounts that you've processed for, and then on to the next biller as well. So this is a better sample of what that report looks like. And again, it's designed to help you consolidate that information. It's another reason why you might want to have your services run through our software, because that makes all of this data available to you. Now, this video was not really designed to turn you into an expert on the process we've just discussed. So for more information, please contact Secure Check Cashing and ask for assistance. And I thank you very much and wish you a good day.